You're scared of the water, you do not know how to swim, but you want to change that. Well, don't go away then, because we're about to look at that fear and find out how we can beat it. I'm Nick, water is my home, welcome to paradise, welcome to Wet Souls. This is how to beat your fear of the water. So being close to water makes you feel very uncomfortable, and even worse being inside the water. Well, you shouldn't fret, because this is normal. Actually, about 50% of adults feel the same way, and even those who can swim can feel very uncomfortable when they don't feel the ground underneath their feet anymore. In your challenge of becoming a swimmer, let's now look at how that fear is generated and what you can actually do to address it. Step 1 is understand your fear before you fight it. Whenever I'm asked to teach somebody to swim, especially somebody who's very apprehensive, to me the most important and interesting question is, why do you want to learn to swim? Through this, I try to find out what background led a student to develop their fear. This is crucial because, like with any fear we try to overcome, the first step should always be to understand why we're afraid. Take a minute, close your eyes and look back. Is there any event that comes to mind? Can you hear the voice of an apprehensive parent telling you to stay away from the water? Maybe somebody pushed you in the pool when you were little. Did someone you know have a negative experience with water? You see, these negative events can get deeply rooted in your imagination, actually causing exactly that emotional break, which is now keeping you away from the water. And by the way, remember that all these memories are in the past, so best leave them there and take the next step. Step 2, take lessons with someone you trust. Before you learn to swim, make sure you learn to float. Get help from a professional or a proficient family member who can come and help you. Ideally find a teacher where you are, but if there is none available, you can ask a proficient friend or family member to help you. To achieve the best results for yourself, you should find someone you can trust. You need to feel comfortable with their support in the water, and this person should be there to assist you in a safe, understanding and unrushed manner. And don't underestimate how far you can get with some good lessons. If you find yourself a buddy and you're ready to practice, go and check out this video with some great exercises to get you started in the water. Step number 3. Your experience starts from outside the water. Before entering and getting wet, understand the water and its properties. Grasp the concept of buoyancy and flotation, and remember that, in time, water will be your best friend. Your lessons should always be broken down and discussed beforehand in a briefing, and it might sound a little mystical, but practicing visualization, breathing and relaxation exercises outside the pool can be very helpful. Go slowly and go gradually. This is a step-by-step process, so you should feel comfortable at all times. Go at your own pace and don't rush. Overcoming your fear of the water, let alone swim, can take some time. So go gradually. Only take the steps you feel comfortable with and master previous steps before moving forward. If who is teaching you is rushing you, they are probably not the right choice for you. Practice safely. No matter how good you think you are, it can be very powerful. So always remember to respect the water. Don't practice by yourself or in deep water if you're still learning the basics. And keep some safety devices with you. And finally, have some fun. So guys, thank you very much for watching. We're right back where we started from. If you liked what you saw, do leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create good content. Overcoming your fear of the water and learning how to swim is a great achievement. And if you still feel apprehensive about the water, don't worry, keep practicing, because in time you will get perfect. Actually, if it helps you, remember one thing, that water is where we all come from, and it is 70% of what we are all made of. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep your souls wet.